Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making a set of press-on nails. The whole thing about this video is I'm going to be using stuff exclusively from TEMU. So these are super affordable and they're going to be super cute. I haven't filmed a set, it feels like, in quite a while, so I'm excited to get going with this. So I have my nails on my nail stands, but I want to show you, these are the nails right here. This is what the box looks like. I believe this had 250 nails, and these are long almond nail tips. So they're already pre-buffed, which is so nice because that's like my absolute least favorite step when making nails. I just feel like it takes so much time. So all I had to do was just file the nub that you get on the end, and we're gonna get going. And just a quick tip, I like to write my sizes on my nail box when I size out my nails and I'm happy with how they fit, because a lot of the times I'll have a set of nails on and I don't want to take them off to have to size my nails. So that's just kind of like a helpful little tip, so you can still make nails when you have nails in your fingers already. So yeah. So these are going to be simple, but they're going to be like pretty charmed up. I'm excited about it. So all I'm going to be using for my base color is this black gel nail polish. I believe this was like 90 cents. It was not more than $1, and it's really nice, heavy bottle. The black is really good. It does not give me any problems with bubbling as long as you do thin layers. It's a really nice black. So what I'm going to do is simply paint 2 coats of black polish. I'll probably speed through this just because it's kind of repetitive, but I also want to talk to you guys at the same time because it's been so long. So I do have some big news that I am ready to share. I am actually pregnant. So yeah, I'm super excited. I am expecting a baby. My second, this will be. My son is 10 years old. His birthday is actually tomorrow. He's going to be 11 tomorrow, so I'm so excited about that as well. But yes, I am expecting. I'm due at the end of August, and I did find out what I'm having. But I kind of want to keep it a secret because I want to hear your guys' guesses down below. So comment down below if you think I'm having a girl or a boy. I'm super excited to hear what you guys think. And I can't wait to let you guys know what it actually is. So yeah, that's my exciting, huge life update, honestly. And since I now spilled the beans on here, I am going to continue to update you guys. I have a doctor appointment tomorrow. I'm excited. But yeah, everything's going really good. So back onto the nail subject. I am just doing my second coat right here of the black, and again, most importantly, when using black or just a super opaque color, you just keep your coats thin, and you can give a little bit of an extra cure, which I do for these. I do 60 seconds and then I do an extra 30 just to be safe. Yeah, so we're just pushing through the rest of this coat and then we're going to move on to the rest. I can't wait to show you guys the finished product of these, and I cannot wait to put them on because they came out so cute. They're giving me like emo Y2K girl, like 2000 vibes. They're really cute. So yeah, this right here is the top coat I'm going to be using. I personally like to top coat before and after my charms, but that's just a personal preference. It's totally up to you. I just feel like it really seals in all my charms and also just gives a little bit of extra strength to the nails, which never hurts. So yeah, I'm going to do my top coat layer. I'm going to cure again for 60 seconds, and then we're going to get on to the charms, which is the super fun part since the base of these was just one color, super simple. So yeah, I think you guys are going to like these ones. So I'm going to show you the charms in just a second, and here they are. I'm going to be using these. You know, if you follow my nail videos, that I love Kuromi so much. She's got to be my absolute favorite. So we're using some of those. And then I'm also going to be using a few of these tiny light pink heart rhinestones. And then lastly, from one of my big organizers that I filled myself, I'm going to be using these silver ball studs, which are an absolute favorite of mine. I just think they look really cute in almost every set. This is the rhinestone glue right here. It looks like Macart, but it's not. It's from TEMU. So this is what we're going to be using. I'm going to start with the thumb, I believe. So I'm just going to put my blobs down. The only thing with this rhinestone glue, it's really good, but it's not as thick as Macart. So you kind of, once you place your charms, you're going to want to either do a flash cure or try to move quickly because they will slide. But other than that, it works really, really good. Look how cute she is. I literally can't take it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to add a safety pin and a couple of other things, trying to move quickly. I believe I cure like right here, so these two main charms don't move. Yes, I do. And then this one also needs some of those pink stars. So yeah. So we're going to move through the rest of the nails. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to let you guys just watch the process and see how cute these turn out. If I need to say anything else, I will most definitely pop back in. So here they are. I hope you guys love them as much as I do. I'm super pleased with how these turned out. I cannot wait to put them on. Like, I literally can't wait. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. I love you.